explaining the crypto space in less than 2 minutes. Let's go. May nag-comment dito, I wanna try crypto pero I don't know paano mag-start. So ngayon, tatry ko sagutin lahat yan in less than 2 minutes. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So bago ako pumasok sa crypto space, kailangan malaman kung paano siya gumagawa and bakit siya ginawa. First of all, it was created by Satoshi Nakamoto noong 2008. Nagkaroon siya ng white paper noon. Nirelease niya to noong January 2009. So, bakit siya ginawa? We are right now on a centralized system. Meaning, may bangko, siya yung nag-hold ng mga pera natin. Merong government, siya nag-hold ng mga pera natin. So, technically, merong single entity na nagko-control ng lahat. And si Satoshi Nakamoto, naisip niya, ayaw niya ng gano'n. Gusto niya decentralized. Gusto niya tayo-tayo na lang yung nagko-control. Merong transparency and security. So, that's why na-build niya yung Bitcoin. Because it is a decentralized exchange or decentralized system. And paano ba siya gumagana? It was using blockchain technology. Blockchain technology are chains ng mga blocks, and kada blocks nandun yung transaction, nandun yung ID mo, nandun yung lahat. So if may tatry kang nakawin, kailangan mo na i-hack rin yung isang block since connected sila, since andito rin yung iba mong transaction identification. So it is a very secure and transparent na makikita mo yung mga transactions sa loob ng mga sa blockchain or sa mga Bscan or ETHScan. So technically that's it, that's how it works. So next naman, paano ka papasok? Of course, kailangan mo ng mga wallets. Centralized exchange or decentralized exchange, or non-custodial wallet or custodial wallet. Sa centralized exchange, merong may-ari. For example, OKX, Binance, Paymaya, GCash, G-Wallet, meron doon. So technically, that's a centralized exchange. So bakit yun? Mas madali siyang mag-enter doon, mas madaling gumamit. Meron na rin akong ginawang video about it. Panoorin mo kung ano bang perks ng non-custodial at custodial wallet. Next naman, ano pwede mong mag-aralin? Spot trading, trading in general, Web3 careers, NFTs, development, mag-code ka, moderator ka, marami. Futures trading is thinking kung tataas o bababa. Pag tama ka, kikita ka. Or you can be content creator. Gawa ka rin ng video, gawin mo to. Spot trading naman is trading on the spot. Bibili ka, bibenta ka, that's trading na agad. Or you can be investor. Magbili ka lang. Pag umangat, tataas. Pag hindi, edi hindi. Or do DCA. So, yun lang. 2 minutes. To be honest, kulang yung 2 minutes. Wala akong magigets doon. I just throw random words na brief history ng or gist ng buong crypto space since napakatagal na ito if pag-uusapan. That's why merong 1 hour akong prepare na video for you. I-check nyo lang sa bio ko. It's free. Or i-check nyo to kung ayaw nyo gawin yung libre. So, yun lang. See you guys next video. I hope may natutunan ka and I hope may matutunan ka dito. And yeah, see you guys next video. Love you all. Peace. Don't forget to follow me. Bye-bye.